Every creator knows the weight of this silence. The screen is open, the cursor is blinking, and the plan is non-existent. A dozen questions start closing in. What should you create? How to talk to the AI? Where do the hooks and the structure actually come from? You open a dozen tabs, hoping a random prompt will give you a breakthrough, but the process just feels broken. The results are fragmented. An idea here, a script snippet there, pieces of a puzzle that don't actually fit together. AI can build the content, but it can't build the plan. Without the exact right instructions, you are still starting from zero. This is the AI YouTube channel factory, a structured vault designed to turn that chaos into a professional content pipeline. Inside, 3,000 specialized AI commands assemble into a massive library, providing a high-quality starting point for every stage of your production. It's an architecture for creators. Instead of random questions, you have an organized system that moves your ideas through a dedicated assembly line. The factory floor begins with the raw materials, powering through channel research and video ideas before forging your titles and long-form scripts. The line continues through optimization, refining your SEO and thumbnails while managing community engagement and splitting your main video for every social platform. This forms an 8-cylinder content engine, a 5-step lifecycle that loops perfectly from the initial research to the final repurposing. To keep the machinery running, 20 pre-built workflows act as your operation manuals, showing you the exact path to launch a faceless channel or manage a 30-day calendar. We've included 6 specialized bonus resources to ensure every gear in your creative process is greased and ready. It turns the individual creator into a factory manager. You get a structured, professional workflow, whether you're just starting or already scaling a channel. The blank page is no longer a dead end. It's just the start of the assembly. Choose your prompt, customize, generate, and publish. You are getting the full industrial scale system, the 3,000 prompts, the 8 modules, the workflows, and every bonus resource. A creative infrastructure valued at $187. Today, you can access the entire AI YouTube channel factory for just $5.99. Your order is protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Stop staring at the blank screen and start building your content engine. Start with one prompt, build one piece of content, and repeat. Secure your instant digital access now.